Okay, shall we start the interview?
Okay. Yeah, sure.
Tell me about yourself.
Um, I am Pechmani. I'm currently pursuing in Savita Engineering College second year. In computer science department.
Okay, what is your greatest strength?
My strength is actually I have a great leadership quality, and I'm also having some problem solving skills. And then if like on work, if I do on work means, um, I will always concentrate more on that. That's it.
Okay. What is your greatest weakness?
Greatest weakness. My greatest weakness is basically I'm so lazy, so that's my greatest weakness. Like I studied only at late nights, not in the mornings.
Say, what is your future goal?
My future goal is to place in a great MNC company, like a manager post.
Where do you see in next 5 years?
In next 5 years, I'd be in a very high position in a company.
How would you describe yourself in one word?
Um, like dedicated. I was if I do any works means I dedicate myself to that work very sincerely and like that.
Do you have any question for me?
No.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Then now let me ask.
Okay.
Shall we continue or you going to end your record?
Okay, shall we continue?
Yeah, okay. Mm, yeah, tell me about yourself.
First of all, thank you for giving this opportunity to introduce myself. Myself, A. Priyadashini. I am from Tiruvachu. I am currently passing my professional course in stream of computer science engineering in Savita Engineering College, which is affiliated to Anna University, and I have completed my schooling in Our Lady Higher Secondary School. And my hobbies are cooking and gardening. My short-term goal is to get job in a well-reputed company. That's all about myself.
Okay. What are your greatest strength?
My biggest strength is my confidence. Apart from that, I am a hardworking and self-motivated towards a positive attitude. And if I have any problem, I think that is an opportunity to express our ability. That is my strength.
Okay. What are your greatest weakness?
My greatest weakness is I am a straightforward person, and if people ask any help, I cannot say no for that. That is my weakness.
What are your future goals?
I see myself in a well established organization with top performing employee, and I plan to enhance my skill and improve my involvement in professional association.
Where do you see you in next 5 years?
Currently, I am scoring good grade and I am also doing well in extracurricular activity. After 5 years, I will complete my bachelor degree and I will placed in a well established organization with high paying job.
Okay. How would you describe yourself in a word?
I am a responsible and hardworking person.
Okay. Do you have any questions for me?
No,
Okay.
thank you.
Okay. Thank you.